Yeah, so we went there, guys. We went to the shop to get this. I think we've got the result here now. I'm gonna show them to you.
What does that mean?
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So it is Saturday, and guess what? I stayed in bed the whole day. It's currently 7 o'clock at night now, guys, and I thought, you know, I'm gonna take my camera and I'm gonna film. I'm gonna talk to you what's happening, guys. So I am not feeling well. I actually feeling a bit better right now. That's why, you know, I took the camera out. So last night we went to this Malaysian place in Glen Waverley because Daddy's colleague recommended it to him. He said like, well, you know, it's a nice place. You know, food is yummy and all. So we went to try it out. And then when I was driving home last night, I was actually rushing because I am busting for toilet. Like my tummy has been rumbling, so like it's very strange. But anyways, I thought it was just like, you know, normal because that happens. And then maybe, you know, when we got home, maybe at least like 10 minutes later, I felt like I am nauseous, you know, and I'm dizzy, and it feels like the world is turning. Like seriously, I couldn't explain how I felt. And so I went to bed straight away because like, I don't know how I'm feeling. I don't know why I'm feeling like this. So I went to bed, and then Daddy was still awake. And in the middle of the night, I woke up, and still, you know, I get up and I still feel dizzy. Like, you know, my vision is like this. And every time I stand up, it feels like I'm gonna fall. I didn't, you know, feel any strength at all in my body. It was really strange. So I think it was like 2:30 in the morning. So Daddy and I got up, and I said like, oh Daddy, can you go with me? I'll go to the toilet. And then seriously, I started vomiting. The thing is, I vomited, but it's just like water, so it's not really like food coming out, it's just water. And so yeah, I was in the toilet vomiting for a little bit, and Daddy said, you know, like have a shower, because you know sometimes like shower makes you feel better. So like, yeah, 2:30 in the morning, guys, I was in the shower. I stayed there for a little bit, and I went back to bed straight away after shower, and still I feel the same. You know, I'm still dizzy and all. So I stayed in bed, and in the morning I try to get up, and still I feel dizzy, and again I vomited. Just like, I was so scared. I kept telling Daddy, you know, like I can't be sick, Paris needs me, you know. And because Paris was like sleeping on that side, you know, the cot, and I'm trying to touch her, and because I've got no strength, like I try to touch her, but then my body falls into her. It was just, yeah, it was very interesting. Like I don't know why I was like that, but my body was just so tired, and yeah, feeling nauseous the whole time. But yeah, Daddy just let me stay in bed to rest for, you know, the whole day, guys. As mentioned, it's already 7 o'clock, and earlier today Daddy and Paris went to the chemist, and Daddy got me back some hydrolyte. I don't know how you say it, but this is the one. It looks like pea, but apparently this is what the pharmacist told him to get and to give me. So that's what I've been drinking, guys. Yeah, but then also the pharmacist told Daddy, like, you know, maybe get a pregnancy test as well, because this is how you feel when, you know, when you're pregnant. Like you're dizzy, you're nauseous, and you're vomiting. But in my situation, I didn't think I am, guys. Like it's very coincidence that, you know, from we went to a restaurant, and then I felt this one, you know. So anyways, so Daddy and Paris went, they got me that, and then I went back to bed, and I was just in bed the whole afternoon. And yeah, because I was just so tired, and I tried to get up I don't know, maybe just 2 hours ago, and I felt okay. So like now when I stand up, like I don't feel like falling anymore. I'm just, you know, I'm just tired. That's all I feel at the moment. And yeah, so then I ordered McDonald's because I really want to, you know, like I felt hungry, guys, because I haven't had anything the whole day. I ordered Uber Eats, McDonald's, and then they got delivered. I just ordered like, you know, double cheeseburger, and also McNuggets for Paris, and 3 sundae, like the ice cream. Guys, it got delivered, and seriously, I ordered Sprite for my drink, and the Sprite was all over my chips and my burger, and yeah, it got me upset because like I want to eat, I was hungry, and that's what happened. Anyways, I still ate it. It's still fine, you know, it's just not crispy, or you know, it's just not what I want it to be. But yeah, Paris and Daddy right now just went out to go to the park just across the road, and I said, you know, I'm just gonna stay here for a little bit, and I might, you know, go change because I want to go to the bank, guys. I got lots of things in my head, guys, because there's still things to do, and you know, my body is not cooperating. Like tomorrow the balikbayan box needs to be picked up in the afternoon, and obviously I need cash for that, so I need to go to the bank and get cash to pay for that tomorrow. And then Ate Ann and Kuya Noah's got the trailer, guys, because tomorrow we have to move some more stuff from our old place to here. So yeah, there's lots of things going on, and I don't know, I think my body can't keep up, guys. But hopefully by tomorrow I feel better, and I will be able to do all those things, guys, because they really need to be done. Like seriously, need to be done. And I can't afford to be sick, guys. Like Paris, you know, wants her milk, and Paris wants her Diddy, and you know, like she wants to play, and I just don't have the strength to do that, guys, and it makes me very frustrated. But yeah, right now they're at the park, as I mentioned. I'm gonna go get ready. I think I feel alright now, so I can go for a walk. I don't trust myself driving for now because I might feel dizzy and all. So we're just gonna go walk to the bank and get the money for the balikbayan box tomorrow. And then while we're there, we might just go to the chemist warehouse to get the pregnancy test, guys, because you know, it's good to have everything covered, right? So I'm pretty sure I'm not, but still, you know, it's good to have that peace of mind, and you know, really know what's happening. So yeah, guys, that's what's happening. I will go get ready now so we can go to the bank and to the pharmacy before it gets dark, and I'll see you again soon, guys. So I'm all done, guys. I just put some nice clothes on. Nice, I don't know what I was wearing before, but yeah. And also I'm just gonna wait for Daddy and Paris to come back from the park, guys, and then so we can go. But yeah, I also actually messaged a lady from Facebook Marketplace today, because I supposed to pick up like a big frame to put somewhere in the bedroom or in the lunchroom from Facebook Marketplace, guys. So I told the lady I want to buy it, and I'm supposed to pick it up at 2 o'clock today, but I said, you know, unfortunately I wasn't able to come. I'm not feeling well, and I told her I'm really interested, but if you want to sell it beforehand, you know, I'd understand. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow it's still available and I'll feel better tomorrow, guys, so you can go pick it up. But yeah, that's another thing that I needed to do. It's just crazy. Yeah, it's just, you know, everything just piles up, guys, you know what I mean? Us moving here, and it's just, I think my body is just taking its toll on me. Like, I need to rest. I think that's what my body is saying. So hi again, guys. We just got home from the shops. So we went there for a walk, guys. It's like around 20 minutes walk going there, and obviously another 20 minutes walking back. And I feel okay, so I'm very happy with that one, guys. Like, just to be able to stand up and not feeling dizzy, guys. I'm feeling, you know, happy already. Yeah, so we went there, guys. We went to the shop to get these. Yeah, so we'll see how we go with this one. As mentioned before, I'm pretty sure I'm not, but you know, we just want to cover the base. So I'm gonna give this a try, guys, and I'll get back to you and let you know. So I already dipped it, guys, and I put the cap on again, so yeah, it's not dirty. But it says to just lay flat for a few minutes and then we'll get back to it. And yeah, you know what's funny too, guys, because the other day Daddy cooked egg in the morning, and before he went to work, and then when he broke the egg, guys, there's 2 egg yolks inside the egg, and then he's been talking about it at his work when he got there. And then this Chinese lady said, you know, oh, maybe your wife is pregnant with twins, because, you know, meats, guys, you know what I mean? And yeah, and this happened. And then so we were saying, like, oh my god, can you imagine us having twins? That's gonna be crazy. And that is very possible, guys, because in my dad's side, he's got twin brothers, so you know, it runs in the blood. But anyways, I don't know, we were having a conversation and he just said, you know, if we are having twins, then seriously, I'm gonna create a GoFundMe account. He was just being funny, guys. But yeah, because I know it's not gonna be easy, right? Like, it's, you know, having Paris is seriously, you know, not easy. How much more if we'll have twins? But anyways, enough talking, guys. I think we've got the result here now. I'm gonna show them to you. Okay, so there's only 1 line. It means I'm not pregnant, guys. Not yet, right? Like, one day, I'm not saying that we're not gonna have more babies, guys, but at least 2. You know, at least we'll have another one, and hopefully it's gonna be a boy, so it's gonna be 1 pair. But at the moment, yeah, if it comes, guys, it comes, right? We will be happily you know, embracing it. But yeah, so that's a proof it is negative, guys. So I'd say it's just food poisoning, really. I'm never gonna go back to that restaurant again, never ever in my life. And I'll never recommend it, because I know I'll take back what I said yesterday, because when I vlogged yesterday I said, you know, the food was yummy, because it was really yummy. It was, you know, it was very tasty. But Daddy? Yeah. Come here.
I don't want to look at it. I don't want to be on camera for this.
Huh?
What does that mean? I'm not pregnant. Congratulations. That was funny snack.
Yeah, what?
I said, I might have knocked up Jovi again.
What?
I said I might have knocked up Jovi again. And I was telling him a 2 yolk story.
Oh yeah. So Daddy, you don't need to make your GoFundMe account for the UK.
Might make one anyway. GoFundMe to fulfill my dreams of living in Mount Waverley. Target is 1.8 million.
Yeah, that's right. So it was just the food, Daddy. Never again.
Never going there again?
No,
Huh?
I'm done then.
No, I can. Without worries.
But yeah, that's about it, guys, for today's video. I hope that I'm going to feel better
That's good.
tomorrow, really. Yeah. Feel better tomorrow, guys, because we have some more things to do. We have to, you know, bring things from the other place to here, so it's gonna be a big day. But yeah, I just want to relax, guys, seriously. I just want these, you know, like things to go away. But yeah, I'm just so happy that I don't feel like dizzy anymore. I'm just feeling tired, but that's all. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Appreciate your time as always. Please give this a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And also, guys, leave me some comments below, guys. Let me know you're watching. Like, I really love creating contents for you. Like, seriously, yeah, I know I feel, you know, a bit average this morning, but I still want to upload videos, guys. So, you know, let me know that you're watching, guys. I'd appreciate it. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye.